Japan.
Carolina. Sila de Bamja. Sila de.
Without question though I can.
Sila de Bamja.
Without question,
Ladep.
Ladem.
So with question he can.
Mafi bam jingta ayu. Jingta means like the dishes. What did you eat in the dishes?
Sin kasi.
Sin.
Alu bam.
Alus pan.
Alu pan. Alu pan, paneer pan.
Ja.
Papar pan.
Ja.
Dal pan, Japan.
Pilong kumno.
Biang, biang eh.
Ada bamcha ni em.
Bamja. Ladep.
Speak more kasi.
Hi.
Do you like and subscribe? Say that.
Do like, subscribe. This is Moyong channel.
What was your first impression of Sikkim?
My first impression. The food. I like the food.
So, I just like it's like, it's like missing here.
Carolina. Sila de Bamja. Sila de. Bam jingta ayu. Jingta means like what dishes did you eat?
Paneer,
Paneer.
matar paneer, dal,
Dal. You should die. Umshit die.
umshit dai,
Yeah. And then alu is pan. Jingta pan.
jinta pan,
And ja is like rice.
ja.
Ladep bamcha.
Bamja.
Ladep.
Ladep. Ladep.
Mulai
means where are you? Na?
Syai mulai mata.
Organization visit.
Syai. Speak in kasi.
Nakmat.
Nakmat. What is nakmat?